Hey guys, this is Jeff. How are you doing? Probably not too good if you're here on my Neptune repair page. My goal is to keep you, or more important, your spouse, out of the laundromat. Okay, let's talk about which Neptunes are affected by the faulty wax motor. Well, it turns out all Neptunes with a timer knob are affected, and that includes the MAH 3000, MAH 4000, the MAH 5500A, and the 2000 stackers. But we have to note, on some of the 2000 stackers, they will have the correct wax motors installed. They had shipped with the proper wax motor. And the way to know the difference is the new design has the black actuator tip, and the old design has the brown colored tip. Okay, let's talk about the symptoms. Well, the major symptom is the door lock light does not come on when it should be in the high-speed spin cycle, and because of that, the clothes are soaking wet when the cycle is finished. Now, to verify that you have experienced the Q6 R11 failure, you have to look at the control board and see if the R11 resistor is burnt. Now, we have two different machines. We have the standalone and you have the stacker. Let's look at the standalone first. Number one, we want to unplug the machine for safety. Number two, we have to remove the 3 Phillips screws on the top edge of the control console. And number three, you want to push the console bottom away from you as you pull the top of it towards you. And that will cause it to pivot back and expose the control board on the back plate of the machine. And before you remove the board, you will want to label all your wires and connectors for reinstalling. Okay, let's talk about the stacker. We want to unplug the machine for safety on that one as well. Number two, we want to remove the 2 screws on the top corners. Now this is on the dryer section. On the stackers, your control board is located up on the right corner on the dryer side. So you have to remove 2 screws on the top corners and pull the door frame towards you. And you need to open the door and remove the door frame. Number 4, you want to unscrew the 2 hold down brackets on both sides. Number 5, you unscrew the 2 screws on the top right side of the panel. That's the top panel. Number 6, you want to prop the top panel up, and that should expose your board. And number 7, again, you want to label all your wires and connectors for reinstalling. We don't want to mix up any of the wires. Now here's a photo of the standalone washer with the board mounted to the back panel. And here is the control board we can expect to see if the R11 is burnt. And you see the arrow pointing to where the R11 is. It's located just below the left mounting slot. Miscellaneous info. After replacing the Q6 and R11, the timer may not function properly. I estimate 5 out of 50 boards could have this issue. You will need my stage 2 repair kit. Contact me. If the water valves do not work when you test the machine, then your machine control board will need to be replaced. Contact me. Does your Neptune sound like a jet taking off when ramping up during the spin cycle? If so, contact me. I can help you land that airplane. Lastly, if you have any questions at all, contact me. Let's wrap it up. This Q6R11 repair kit will save you around $400 plus the hassle of scheduling a service call. Tell all of your friends and family that have Neptunes because they can proactively replace the wax motor before it fails and prevent the Q6R11 failure. I can get you any Neptune parts. I offer all major appliance parts too. I look forward to serving you. Thank you.